Nice driving, bro. Oh, we need to let me open the door actually. Open up! Oh wait, I forgot you can't beat up doors anymore.
Uh-oh. I missed it.
I'm stuck. No, I'm not stuck. Might take a while. Okay. That's the first step of this. Alright. So another good step about this.
Hey!
He pushed you up, bro. Get pushed off, bro. Get good, bro.
Such a pro.
Oh look, money here, bro. Damn, I got 5k from that, I think, or 50k. No, we have 19k. How did I go from 50k to 50k, bro? Oh, when the freaking Black Ops adrenaline music kicks in. Ooh, the Black Ops 2 OG music kicks in, bro.
You have the music?
Yeah, I have the music.
I don't.
This man doesn't want to go up.
You just go up.
Those sirs were being kind of gay. Imagine there's just a dude up here just wondering what we're doing. That's all you wow, and you just hear freaking Black Ops music. If I would see this, I wouldn't even kill the people, bro. I would just watch it. I would just drop my guns and start teabagging up and down. Let's go!
Yo.
Wheelie time!
You got it.
Hey bro, that's my chest. Hey, that's my chest. My closer strike. Hey, you took my motorcycle.
Only motorcycle right here.
I fell off, by the way. If you didn't realize.
Yeah, I saw.
Not yet, bro. Wait, chill, bro.
Chill.
Chill. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for family, bro. You gotta wait for family. For family, bro. For family. For the homies. For the homie love, bro. For the homies. After we drive off, let's go to that money area over there. Where are you shooting, bro? What are you shooting?
I'm just trying to see the spread. Right.
I'll drive. Let's go.
Alright, do as what I do. Look, do this. Frick. This is not the same exact building like the other one. Oh, frick it. Look, this is how you do it. Oh. Gotta gain some momentum here, bro. What the heck? Someone's landing here? Oh no, someone would react seeing 2 motorcycles on top of this. I'd honestly be surprised if why the heck they would put motorcycles up here. Where are you shooting him, bro?
Oh, I downed him. I downed him. I actually got him.
Someone else is dropping here, bro. On the helicopter?
No, some guy he was dropping.
Oh, there's someone over there. I hit him. I'm totally hitting him. Totally didn't just miss 60 rounds on him. I hit him. I'm hitting him. I hit him. He's almost dead. I got him.
I could still see him falling. Alright.
It's just him. Alright, I don't know how to get the motorcycles off here because it's not the same building like I thought it was. Oh,
Willie.
that might work. Willie walking the heck out of here, bro. Oh! Hey, get out the way, bro. Hey, get out of here, bro. Drop your jet. Hey, watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet. Eat that thermite, bro. Eat thermite, bro. Hey, shoot this helicopter, bro. He's giving me problems. This man does not know how to score up, bro. He's almost dead. There, it's down. Whatever. Forget the money, bro. Doesn't matter. Cause we got family. Oh, wait, I have an idea. Hold up, wait a minute. Just stay outside.
Okay.
Maybe this might work. just look at the doorway, bro. Never mind.
Oh, you're gonna fly
I
out.
crashed. What? Anyway, that did not work.
Oh, I almost did it.
You know what? Let me give it a boost with
I
the
did
stun
it.
grenade.
I did it
You did it? How?
by luck.
How did you do it? Oh!
Yeah, just do that.
Did you speed on it?
Yeah. And do
Is
a
that
willy.
literally what you just did?
And do a willy.
Do a Willy, of course, bro. I'm Willy Wonka out here, bro. All right, well, I don't know how to do willies because I suck complete garbage. You Willy, bro! What the heck is that? The heck is that, bro? No! Dog water, bro. No! Yes! Don't fall off now. Don't fall off now. I'm stuck. Stuck.
Really? I just see you beating me, though.
No!